Ban wanra kajing sngo thu jingmut lang bat kajing adai kebajan bat kibriu kiba Duna ha Khuborjylla bat kitu kiba biang Khuborjylla. Ka Sarkar Meghalaya lengba ka Office Commissioner for Person with Disabilities ha ka arponyo tarik nailur kala Rakhe ya ka International Day for the Deaf St. Anthony's College. Kajing thmu jong ka program kalong banang kentiu ya kajing adai bayajan bha da ka ba pendan kam da ka sign language. Ha kajing kran berkakong Bridget Iohsngew Deputy Commissioner for Persons with Disabilities kalaya thu nakaliang ka department kat bala kalaya le aban kentiu ya kajing adai kabayajan bat kini kibriu kibadon kijing Duna ha Khuborjylla da ka ba pendan kam ya ka we ka app ka ba latip kum ka Meghalaya Sign Language Bank app ban tip bat sngo thu da kitu ki ba pendan kam lengba ka sign language. Hakani ka jing Rakhe yakani ka Sngi Bakyrpang na benta kitu kiba Duna Khuborjylla uba wailat miki Shillong menteri ka kwat ka khia ula long ukong san haka jing kran ula ong kani ka juk start kalawan ra shibun ki jing mentoy bat kala pensuk bha ya ki bapang ki bashitom da ki la jing sumar babun jan kumju kini kiba Duna Khuborjylla kila yo kilat ki kabu banya kran bat sngo thu ya ki jing kran jing ki weipat lengba ka ne kalat jing start daga sign language.
As an office, we are proud to share some initiatives taken in Meghalaya to advance accessibility. We have developed this Meghalaya Sign Bank app, a digital resource to support learning and communication for the deaf community. We have also initiated the Diploma in Sign Language Interpretation course through the Composite Regional Center, Shillong, under the Administrative Department of National Institute under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment to build a cadre of trained interpreters who can serve in education, healthcare, and other essential fields. In addition, our office is also taking up accessibility initiatives under the Accessible India campaign, including making government buildings and websites barrier-free, together with the programs under the schemes of implementation of the Rights of Persons with Disabilities Act, SIPDA. These efforts go hand in hand with our work on sign language access, ensuring a more inclusive environment for all persons with disabilities. We also commend the efforts of the Meghalaya Deaf Association, which has actively organized programs and competitions during the International Week of the Deaf, including sports, quizzes, and games, and has spread awareness on the importance of sign language during the World Sign Language Day. These initiatives strengthen the community's spirit and remind us of the vibrancy and talent of the deaf community. Yet, we recognize that the journey ahead requires sustained effort. We must expand interpreter services across schools, colleges, hospitals, courts, and workplaces. We must continue to advocate for policies that prioritize accessibility, and we must ensure that resources are made available to sustain these services. Above all, we must remember that accessibility is not charity, it is a right. As we mark this International Day of the Deaf, let us commit ourselves to a future where sign language is respected, where access is guaranteed, and where every person who is deaf or hard of hearing can proudly say, I belong, I am heard, I am included.
Last year, I started a company named Ekanbha. I gave job to 12 persons with disability. I gave them free training. 17 people. Now, I am very happy to share this with you all. I am also very happy to be invited for this by the United America Ambassador to attend a 1-month leadership program. I am also included in a 330 disability diversibility our company Ekanbha got recognized as the top 10 from Prime Meghalaya. And also top 75 startup in Prime Meghalaya and top 10 startup from the Northeast IIM Kolkata. I want to share with you that we all have challenges, we all have dreams, but we should overcome all these challenges. I always want to help others, and this is my dream. We will all work together for this, for success, for achievements, and for inclusion. Thank you so much.
Really congratulate the Office of the Commissioner for Persons of Disabilities for the just recently, as we have been announced that they have launched the Meghalaya Sign Bank app, which will be a bridge to communicate with the person with disability. But I believe, no doubt we were discussing to have the interpreter. But if we just have them also, if we as the public, as the people of the state, if we are not ready to learn, it will be meaningless. So that's why I would like to request you today, at this moment, we should not just standing here celebrating the International Deaf Day. We should show it in action. So first, I'll request each and everyone here, please take out your mobile. Please take out your mobile. I'll request each and everyone, and please download this Meghalaya Sign Bank app now. Please. Because I know if we give it later on, we have many things to do, so we might forget. So I'll request all of you who are having a mobile phone, a smartphone, which I am totally confident that each and every one of you have. Please open the Play Store and type Meghalaya Sign Bank app and please download it. And at the same time, do not just download it. And I will request you, I know it's not possible to learn each and everything, but I will request at the end of this program, I'll request the interpreter to please teach us also few sign language. So we will learn today a few sign language. At least we'll be able to greet our deaf people. But at the end of the program. So, at the same time, I would like to congratulate the office, the SD, the SRCDA, the CRC Shillong for their efforts. But like I said, a lot to be done. And I like to urge the department, what is really important? Because when I check the kind of assistance, the kind of different support which the government gives is many. But I'm quite shocked to know that even in the urban areas also they don't know about this support. So that's why I was urging our commissioner to please give awareness to especially to the rural areas. That is very much important. As I said, there are different assistance given from the government. Whether in terms of health, as we know, we have the MHIS card where these people can avail up to 1 lakh. But other than that, you have a special card for you. That is the Niramaya card. Another 1 lakh rupees. Another 1 lakh rupees you can avail for medical benefit.